Hello everyone, it's a pleasure meeting you all in my mathematics class again. Today I am continuing with the problem solving involving binomial distribution. I have already explained to you what is binomial distribution and what is the meaning of Bernoulli's trial, and binomial distribution is based on the principle of Bernoulli's trials. And I have also explained to you what is the meaning of mean of binomial distribution and variance of binomial distribution. With this good background, let us try to solve the problem given here. Okay. Now, see, it is given that it is a binomial distribution, and you are asked to answer three questions here, in which the last one is P of probability of 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7. Here, this x is a random variable. That is, here, x is a random variable that follows the given binomial distribution. X is the random variable, that is, in short we write it as x of P of NP. So here, these are all parameters. I should say that this is a parameter like that n innings, unless you know the number of trials involved in a binomial distribution and also the probability of success. The probability of failure will be 1 minus P. If it is P is the probability of success, 1 minus P is the probability of failure. Only when you know the number of trials and the probability of success, we can, unless we know this, we cannot work out any problem in binomial distribution. Now, with the given data here, with the given data given in the problem, with the data given in the problem, we should be able to now find out what is that n and what is that p, so that x will be a random variable following this binomial distribution. Okay. Now, so to find, so let us find n and p. Now, given see, e of x means it is the mean of the random variable x is equal to np, which is given to be of 4, and variance, see, this is your given to be sigma of x square, which is equal to variance of x is equal to, it is npq, which is given to be 2, which is given to be 2. Therefore npq divided by np will be equal to your 2 by 4, which implies q is equal to half, and therefore p is equal to 1 minus q, which is equal to half. So you see that p is equal to half and q is also equal to half. Also, see, also np is equal to 4 implies n into half is equal to 4, which implies n is equal to 8. So I am able to get this n and p. Therefore, x is a random variable that follows p of 8 and 0.5. So this is 0.5. So x is a random variable that follows binomial distribution, and the number of trials are 8 and the probability of success is 0.5. Now, having known this or having found this, we will be able to answer all the questions given in the problem. So therefore, you write, so we have bx following b of 8, 0.5. Now we can work out any problem that are asked. In this, in our question, we are asked to find the values of probabilities of all the three given in the problem. Okay. Now let me start doing this one by one. So this A realistic. See, what is this A? At least 2 successes. That means you must have, I will put it like this. See, it is like this. You are taking this in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now he wants, that is, you are asked to find at least 2 successes. That means he must have 2 successes or more. That means what? 2 successes or more. That is to find probability of x greater than or equal to 2. We are asked to find x is greater than or equal to at least 2 successes. That means this is equal to, this is nothing but your p of, it can be x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3 or like this, it can be x is equal to 8. So this is nothing but you must know that all are independent. Since they are independent, you see that p of x is equal to 2 plus p of x is equal to 3 plus dot 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 p of x is equal to 8. So this is where we have. But you must know that, but p of x is equal to I. P of x is equal to I. P of x is equal to I. Sum of this I is equal to 0 to 8 is equal to 1. That is P of x is equal to 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 dot 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 plus P of 8 is equal to 1. So this simply implies that P of x is equal to 2 plus dot 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 P8 is equal to 1 minus, it is P of 0 plus P of 1. So this is nothing but 1 minus, it is 8C0 0.5 to the power of 0 into 0.5 to the power of 8 plus 8C1 into 0.5 to the power of 1 into 0.5 to the power of 7. So this will be equal to 1 minus 0.5 to the power of 8 and 8C0 is 1. 8C0 is 1 plus 8C1. 8C1 is nothing but what? It is 8, that is equal to 1 minus 9 into 0.5 of 8. So if you go do the simplification here, if you do the simplification here, I will just give you the answer, you just put it up, you verify the answer, I will just give you the answer, it is 0.961. It is 0.961. So what is the probability of this? That is probability of x greater than or equal to 2 is equal to 0.961. So you see that if you are going to, you can also straight away get from this. You have to put it as 8C1 here, you will see that this will also be equal to, I will write it here, this will be 0.5 into the power of 8, into it will be 8C2 plus 8C3 plus dot 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 up to 8C8. If you simplify this also, it will give you 0.965. Even if you do like this, you will get 0.965. But this will be much labor. You are reducing your work. That is your labor on this. That you can just find out only these two and write. You will get the answer. This you have to here you have to find 0.5 to the power of 8 and 8C1, 8C2, 8C3 you have to find and then add and get. But here it is most simplified. So it is better that you use, but you can also do like this. So what is the probability of at least 2 successes coming? It is 0.965. So this is my first problem. Let me go to the next one. Let me do the next one. So the next one is here, you see that what he has asked is at most 2. That means it is, this is equal to what? To find this. x is less than or equal to 2 means at most 2 that it can. So this at most, see what is the meaning of this? P of, see at most 2 is like this. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At most 2 means up to this. After then we don't know. It can go up to that it can be 0. The success can be 0, the success can be 1, or at the maximum it can go up to 2, at most 2. So this is nothing but P of x less than or equal to 2 will be equal to P of, it can be x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. So this is nothing but P of x is equal to 0 plus P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. But this is equal to, because what I will write it here, I will write the probability mass function of a binomial distribution is P of x is equal to r is equal to NCR P to the power of r q to the power of n minus r is equal to. So remember that this is a formula, right? That I am using only this idea here. Here P of x is equal to r means the probability of the random variable taking the value r is equal to NCR, combination of n things taken r at a time into p to the power of r. P is the probability of success and q is the probability of failure. So I am using this. See how do I use this? Here it is 8C0. It is 0.5 to the power of 0 into 0.5 to the power of 8 plus 8C1 into 0.5 into 0.5 to the power of 7 plus 8C2 into 0.5 to the power of 2 into 0.5 to the power of 6. So this is equal to, it is 0.5 to the power of 8 into 8C0 plus 8C1 plus 8C2. Now if you go for it, so find the value of 8C0, 8C1, 8C2. I will write it big so that you will understand. So it is like this: 8C0 so find the value of 8C0, 8C1 and 8C2, add them and multiply it with 0.58, this one. You will get it as, just take it up, the answer is 0.1445. So what is this? So we have got, so the probability of at most to do is 0.1445. So here what you have to understand is that here it is at most 2 means it can take 0 success, 1 success, or at the maximum 2 success only. So you use this. See P of x is equal to 0, you need x is equal to 1. You say, now if you use the addition probability theorem, you will find that P of x is equal to, because these are all independent. All events are independent. Okay. So you see that x is equal to 0, P of x is equal to 1, P of x is equal to 2, you get the answer. Now let us pause on to the third one. Let us pause on to the third one. See, the third one is to find less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 7. Now, see, I will about this. So, here you are asked to find the number of successes lying between 5 and 7, both inclusive. So, P of 5 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 7. That means it should be like this, 5 or 7 to this. That means including this. including 5 and 7. So this will be equal to your P of x is equal to 5 plus P of x is equal to 6 plus P of x is equal to 7. So you can write this also as what? The another form of writing is P of 5 plus P of 6 plus P of 7. So this will be equal to, using 1. I'll call this as 1. So this will be your 8C5 0.5 to the power of 5 into 0.5 to the power of 3. Okay. Then plus 8C6 0.5 to the power of 6 into 0.5 to the power of 2 plus 8C7 0.5 to the power of 7 into 0.5 to the power of 1. So here you see that this will be 0.5 to the power of 8, therefore I am taking it out. 0.5 to the power of 8 inside the bracket 8C5 plus 8C6 plus 8C7. Now here again you are using 1. So I using 1 I write this. Now if you simplify this, what that you will get here is, it is 0.347. So if you simplify this, it is 0.3476. That is the probability of getting 5 successes or 6 successes or 7 successes will be 0.3476. So here you must understand that if it is given x is the random variable, will take the values from 5 to 7 means it will take 5, and also suppose if it is given not less than or equal to means we cannot take 5. That is the meaning of that. So here if it is less than or equal to means inclusive of 5 and above. And here it is less than or equal to 7 means including 7, but beyond that you should not take. Okay. So that is the meaning of that. Using the ideas that we have got this answer. So this is all about this problem. I will take tougher problems in the coming days. Thank you.